and our quest for a totally organized 2017 continues. And Andrea, I've told you, paper seems to be a huge problem at my house. You even have a solution for that? I mean, think about all the junk mail that comes.
Right, so the thing with junk mail is to not let it cross your threshold. So if you can drop it off before it even gets into the house, that's ideal. Otherwise, stand right there next to the garbage can or the recycle bin and process the stuff that you don't need to keep.
Okay, and when you look through your other papers, whether it's bills, kids' school projects, what do you do with those?
So let's talk about the mail, the bills that come in. Always open those up and unfold and get rid of those extra envelopes right away. And then we have flat paper that takes up a lot less room than a stack of envelopes with folded paper. And then we drop it into one of these files. So it will either be a to-do or a to-file or a to-read, or maybe it's a to-scan. Or maybe it's something that is going to go out to others. And so we set up file folders accordingly to the things that we need to have to process that paper out of our house.
Thank you so much for sharing all these helpful tips with us today.
You're welcome. Thank you.